Hello, partners. Good evening.
Good
Good
evening.
evening. Hello, Sis Rose. Hello, everyone. How are you?
Halo,
Good evening, Mr. Protocol.
Okay. Okay, guys. So I hope that you are in a good condition, yeah. Okay. We will continue our lesson, and our lesson or our topic today will be about traveling, ya. Sekali lagi, um, kita akan belajar tentang traveling. What is traveling, everyone? What is traveling, guys? Ya,
Jalan-jalan.
jalan-jalan, ya, jalan-jalan.
Nonton tuh.
Okay, what about you? So, do you like doing traveling? Do you like traveling?
No.
Of course, I like.
Yes, I do.
Yes, right. One of you said no. Ada yang bilang tidak nih. Why? Kenapa?
I like stay at home.
Oh, you prefer to stay at home. Oke, lebih suka di rumah aja ya. It's okay, no problem. But if you do traveling, so you can refresh your mind, you can get something new, you can see something new, you can buy souvenir, ya. So many things that we can do. Banyak ya yang bisa kita lakukan when we do traveling. Today, we will learn about traveling, everybody. Let's go to the slides. Let's start the meeting today. Oke ya, ini adalah materi kita. Sekali lagi kita akan belajar tentang traveling atau jalan-jalan ya. Nah, this is the interesting topic for this level, I think. Jadi ini topik yang menarik ya untuk level kita. And for today, I will make the breakout room as well. Ya, nanti saya kasih teman-teman waktu untuk breakout room. Because what? Because tomorrow there is no breakout room ya, there will be no breakout room. Besok nggak ada breakout room teman-teman ya, karena besok materi kita adalah listening atau mendengarkan. Nah, jadi besok kita nggak ada breakout room sama sekali. Nah, for today there is and will be long duration for breakout room. Oke, traveling, jalan-jalan ya. This is our goal for today. Ini tujuan kita hari ini teman-teman. Let's talk about our trips and learn about vocabulary in traveling. Let's talk about our trips. Jadi kita akan ngobrol tentang perjalanan-perjalanan kita ya. Kita pernah kemana aja gitu ya. Where have you been? And then what places have you visited? Tempat mana saja yang pernah teman-teman kunjungi ya. So it could be cities, it could be islands. Yeah, so tell us please. Silakan nanti dikasih tahu ya. Pernah ke kota mana saja, ke pulau mana saja. That's it. Or maybe country, atau mungkin negara ya. So pernah ke negara mana saja. Tell us please. And also we will learn about vocabulary in traveling. Kita juga akan belajar tentang kosakata berhubungan dengan traveling ya, berhubungan dengan jalan-jalan. Oke, let's go. Let's practice with me. Ya, silakan dia angkat tangannya ya. You need to raise your hand to answer the questions here. Silakan dijawab beberapa pertanyaan di sini ya, teman-teman. The first one, yang pertama adalah, do you like traveling? Do you like traveling? Apakah kamu suka jalan-jalan? Yes or no? Tell me, tell us, please. What cities have you visited in Indonesia? Kota apa saja ya, yang pernah kamu kunjungi di Indonesia? Oke, mungkin saya tambahkan satu pertanyaan lagi. Which one is the best for you? Jadi, pernah ke kota mana saja ya tadi? Kota mana saja yang sudah teman-teman kunjungi di Indonesia? Kemudian which one is the best for you? Yang mana yang terbaik menurutmu? Gitu. Like for me, I have visited Yogyakarta, Semarang, ya, so the other ones, ya, Surabaya, Malang, but the best for me is Yogyakarta. What about you? Gimana kalau teman-teman? And then, what are special places in that city? Jadi tempat apa saja sih yang spesial yang ada di kota tersebut? Kalau saya di Yogyakarta tadi ya, jadi apa saja sih yang spesial di Yogyakarta? It's like Parangtritis Beach. It's like Malioboro Street ya. That's it. Okay, Sukoharjo Market ya. Nah, and then the other one, are there any memorable moments? Nah, adakah momen tidak terlupakan di sana? Ya? Di Jogja tadi misalnya. Yes, when I and my friends visited Parangtritis Beach in the morning, we took a lot of pictures and we enjoyed the vibes, the atmosphere there. It was so fun. Sangat menyenangkan. That's it, everyone. Ya. The last one, yang terakhir, what do you recommend about cities or places? What do you recommend? Jadi, apa yang kamu rekomendasikan ya tentang kota atau tempat? Adakah rekomendasi kota atau tempat untuk dikunjungi dari teman-teman? Okay, yeah, I recommend Yogyakarta because that's really nice city. So many good people and everyone there is, friendly ya, semuanya ramah di sana. The traditional culture is really strong, masih kuat ya traditional culture atau budaya tradisionalnya. So you can tell. Oke, raise your hand, silakan diangkat tangannya teman-teman. Beberapa pertanyaan ini nanti akan teman-teman praktekkan juga di breakout room ya. Jadi ini beberapa pertanyaan yang akan kita bawa ke breakout room nanti. Oke, so that's why you need to prepare the answer. Silakan disiapkan jawabannya ya, like that one. Let's go. I wanna go to Sis Rose, yeah, as the first one. Hello, Sis Rose. Good evening. Sorry, Sis Rose, still mute, so you need to click it first.
Okay.
Okay, Sis Rose. Sorry, once more. Where do you live in?
I live in Subang now, but I'm originally from Bandung.
Oh, okay. Sundanese, yeah, in this case. Okay. Okay, Sis Rose, do you like traveling?
Yes, yes, I do.
Okay, good. What cities have you visited in Indonesia?
I have visited several cities, including Bandung City, Bogor, Garut, and Sukabumi.
Okay, that's nice. Which one is the best for you?
For my best version, the best place I think is Puncak, Bogor.
Bogor, yeah, in this case, that's nice. Okay, what are special places in Bogor? Do you know? Besides Puncak, selain Puncak.
The specials. What is special about the city of Bandung is that
Oh, Bandung, okay.
the place when I was born and grow up. The city of Bogor has cool air, view of tea garden, and the city of Garut is the city of my husband brother. And
Oh,
the
okay.
beautiful Pangandaran Beach in Sukabumi.
Okay, so you explain about all, in this case, Bandung,
Yes.
Bogor, Sukabumi, Garut. That's nice. Okay, are there any memorable moments there?
Of course, I was able to spend time while enjoying a vacation with my beloved family members.
Nice. That would be a wonderful moment, yeah, in this
Yes.
case. Okay, the last maybe from Sister Rose. What do you recommend about cities or places?
The city that I recommended, in my opinion, I think the city of Bogor, because the scenery and the air are very cool.
That's amazing. Okay, Bogor, in this case. Okay, thank you. Is that all? Itu aja, Sister Rose? Is that all?
Yes. Thank you so much.
Amazing practicing, amazing speaking, amazing sharing from Sister Rose, yeah, in this case. Good. And then next move to Bro Taufik, yeah, in this case. Hello, good evening, bro. Are you there? Adakah Bro Taufik? You raise your hand.
Okay, good evening, bro.
Okay, good evening. How are you, Bro Taufik? Are you okay?
I'm great.
Good. Okay. What about you? Wait, Bro Taufik, where do you live in? Tinggal di mana? Where do you
Yes,
live in?
I live Surabaya.
Oh, Surabaya ya. Okay, good. So, do you like traveling?
Yes, I do.
Yeah. What cities have you visited in Indonesia?
Hmm, Beach Bali and Monas Jakarta.
Okay, Bali and Cikarang in this case. Which one is the best for you?
Bali.
Bali, okay, Bali Island. What are special places in that island in Bali? What are?
Because Bali good beach mas uh, and pemandangan banyak pemandangan bagus.
Okay, many good view, many good
Many
view.
good view.
Okay, okay, but what do you know about special places in Bali? Jadi apa saja tempat yang spesial gitu ya, Bro Taufik di Bali?
Beach Bali and tradisional tari
Oh, dancing ya,
dancing.
traditional dance or dancing. Beaches ya, beach, pantai, good. And then the next, are there any memorable moments in Bali? Adakah momen tidak terlupakan di Bali?
Uh, yes,
What's that?
when I go to a beach
Mhm.
and I see a dance Bali.
Okay, Balinese dance or Bali dance ya. Okay, good. The last one, what do you recommend about cities or places, bro?
I recommend from all friend go to Bali because good traveling.
Okay, okay, because it's good place ya to
Thank you,
be
Mr. Koko,
visited.
and sorry.
Thank you, Bro Taufik. Thank you so much. That's nice practicing also ya. That's really good. Okay, the last one more ya. Sis Iis Ratnasari, hello, good evening.
Hello, good evening, bro.
Okay, Sis Iis, one question. Where do you live in?
I live in Cikampek.
Cikampek. Okay.
Sorry, ini
Originally from that?
my camera is trouble.
Oh, it's fine. It's fine. Okay. Originally from the region, Sis Iis?
From Subang.
Oh, from Subang actually. Okay. Do you like traveling? Oh my goodness. Okay. We lost the connection ya. So sorry for this one, everybody. Ya, oke. Sisi is left ya, jadi keluar. Mungkin koneksinya ada sedikit gangguan. Oke, I think three of you first ya, tiga dari teman-teman dulu nih. So thank you so much. That's about traveling guys. Itu beberapa pertanyaan tentang traveling. Sekali lagi, silakan dipersiapkan jawabannya ya. You need to prepare the answers of these questions. Silakan disiapkan jawaban dari beberapa pertanyaan ini, karena beberapa pertanyaan ini akan kita bawa ke breakout room untuk hari ini. There are two different types ya of our breakout room today. Jadi ada dua ya yang harus kita praktekkan hari ini. Yang pertama adalah beberapa pertanyaan ini, the first one, and then the next one is about the other country that you want to visit the most. Yang kedua nanti teman-teman prakteknya adalah menjelaskan negara mana yang paling ingin teman-teman kunjungi gitu ya. Jadi tidak hanya Indonesia ya, kita bahas Indonesia, tapi negara lain yang paling ingin teman-teman kunjungi. Oke, so silakan disiapkan jawaban dari pertanyaan ini. Okay, but now let's go to the next, and there are some vocabularies in this box of vocabulary, everybody. Ada beberapa kosakata ya yang harus teman-teman tahu, mungkin sudah tahu juga, tapi harus teman-teman tahu cara bacanya ya, kemudian artinya ya, of course, and you need to use it. Silakan nanti juga boleh digunakan ya untuk speakingnya. Oke, yang pertama ada plan a trip. Plan a trip ya, plan a trip everybody. Plan itu merencanakan atau berencana. A trip itu sebuah perjalanan. Jadi plan a trip itu adalah merencanakan sebuah perjalanan gitu. Jadi masih belum ya, masih direncanakan. I plan a trip to go to Bali next week. Jadi aku merencanakan perjalanan menuju ke Bali minggu depan. Berarti masih belum ya. It's still planning, masih rencana. The next one is accommodation. Yang kedua ada accommodation ya. Akomodasi. Oke, biaya akomodasi ya, accommodation. And then the next one is book a ticket. Book a ticket. It's memesan tiket everyone. Jadi book itu kalau jadi kata benda artinya buku ya. Tapi kalau jadi kata kerja artinya adalah memesan. That's it. Book a ticket is memesan tiket. Kata tiket pun juga seperti itu ya teman-teman. Tidak dibaca tiket gitu, tapi tiket. It's like ada beberapa kata yang memang ya mungkin serapan ya, kayak helikopter jadi helicopter, karpet jadi carpet, tiket ya jadi tiket. Ya, that's it. Jadi tetap bacanya Inggris ya, like that one. Okay. And then the next one is walk around ya, walk around. Walk around itu jalan-jalan ya, walk around, jalan-jalan. Ya, jadi keliling gitu ya. Misalnya saya lagi di Bandung, ya, I walk around Bandung. Jadi saya jalan-jalan di area Bandung. Di walk around itu keliling jalan-jalan gitu. Boleh pakai walk around, boleh pakai go around. Sama aja ya, walk around, go around, that's same. And the next vacation, ya, vacation itu liburan. Vacation itu liburan. Bedanya sama holiday apa bro gitu ya. Jadi ada beberapa versi. Holiday itu adalah harinya. Vacation itu aktivitas liburannya. Jadi kalau holiday belum tentu vacation. Jadi kalau hari libur belum tentu liburan kan gitu ya. Jadi holiday itu harinya, hari libur. Kalau vacation itu berlibur gitu atau liburannya. Oke. Makanya namanya holiday time ya, bukan vacation time. Karena tidak semua orang berlibur di hari libur. That's it. And then the next one is tour. Tour is wisata ya. I tour to Malang. Saya berwisata ke Malang. I tour to Bali. Saya berwisata ke Bali. Bisa wisata, bisa berwisata. I love tour. Saya suka wisata. Bisa juga. Trip, ya tadi ya, trip is perjalanan. Trip, ya, trip is perjalanan. Next, destination. Destination itu tujuan ya, atau tempat tujuan. Bandung is my next destination. Bandung adalah tujuan saya selanjutnya. And then next, nah ini bacanya bukan direction ya, tapi direction. Direction ya, arah. Jadi bukan direction. Tidak semua I itu dibaca I ya teman-teman dalam bahasa Inggris. Ada beberapa yang I tetap jadi I ya. Direction. Artinya arah. The next one kemudian ada airport. Airport. Airport itu bandara ya. Apa ya mungkin contohnya Soekarno-Hatta Airport. Ya, bandara Soekarno-Hatta. Juanda Airport. Bandara Juanda. And then the next one is harbor. Harbor. Harbor itu adalah pelabuhan. Harbor, pelabuhan. Merak Harbor berarti ya pelabuhan Merak gitu ya. The next ada bus station. Bus station is terminal ya. Nah, bus station itu terminal. Saya tambahkan di chat box itu ada bus stop. Nah, jadi jangan sampai keliru ya. Kalau bus station itu terminal, kalau bus stop itu halte. Jadi jangan sampai keliru. Oke. Next, train station is stasiun kereta. Train station, stasiun kereta. And the next one is passenger. Passenger is penumpang. Passenger. Kalau penumpangnya banyak tinggal ditambah S saja ya. Passengers. Nah, the next one kemudian ada tourist. Tourist. Turis ya atau wisatawan. Kemudian ada tourism. Tourism itu pariwisata ya. Oke, tourism pariwisata. Kemudian ada travel agent. Travel agent. Travel agent is biro perjalanan. Ya, biro perjalanan ya, biasanya paket wisata gitu ya. Next, sunbathing. Sunbathe. Dari kata sunbathe ya. Sunbathe, sunbathing artinya berjemur. Okay. What are you doing, bro? I am sunbathing. Saya berjemur. That's it. Next, go sightseeing. Go sightseeing. Go sightseeing itu pergi melihat-lihat ya. Like that one. Go sightseeing. Jadi nggak ada niat lain selain ya lihat-lihat aja gitu. Bukan ada niatan beli atau apa, nggak ada, cuma pengen lihat-lihat sekitar. Itu kan go sightseeing. Next, go camping. Pergi berkemah ya, go camping. Oke, next, arrive at. Tiba di. Where are you guys? I and my friends arrive at Soekarno-Hatta Airport. Kami tiba di Bandara Soekarno-Hatta. Misalnya kayak gitu ya. We arrive at Bali. Kita tiba di Bali. We arrive at Jakarta. Kita tiba di Jakarta. Mungkin saya tambahkan satu lagi ya. I think it's important. Ini ya penting ya. Yang terakhir saya tambahkan di sini ada tourist attraction ya. Tourist attraction. Tourist attraction itu adalah tempat wisata. Nah, nanti teman-teman boleh juga silahkan dicatat ya. Tourist attraction itu tempat wisata. Okay. For example, Puncak is a tourist attraction in Bogor. Puncak adalah tempat wisata di Bogor. Okay. Any question guys? Silakan kalau ada pertanyaan boleh teman-teman. Come on, let's discuss together. Kita diskusi bersama-sama. Please. Come on. Okay, Sis Rose, you raise your hand. Any question?
What is the difference about trip and journey?
Oke, trip and journey. Artinya sama-sama perjalanan ya. Oke, good. I need to type it here ya. Sebentar saya ketik di sini. Trip and journey. Journey. Artinya sama-sama perjalanan, tapi kalau journey itu dirasa perjalanannya jauh sekali gitu. Jadi lama jauh gitu ya. Itu journey, lama jauh. Oke, seberapa lama, seberapa jauh itu tergantung kita ya. Kalau kita merasa wah ini kayaknya lama sekali. Ini kayaknya jauh sekali. Ini butuh waktu yang sangat lama. Nah, itu journey. Tapi kalau trip itu tidak selama journey, tidak seperti journey. Jadi lebih singkat ya. Oke, tidak terlalu singkat ataupun ya cukup singkat bisa ya, cukup singkat. That's trip ya. Jadi kayak misalnya perjalanan dari sini ke Bali, dari tempat teman-teman ke Bali, nah itu namanya trip ya, karena masih bisa dijangkau ya. Kalau journey itu misalnya the journey of my life, jadi perjalanan hidupku, nah, itu kan lama ya, sangat lama gitu. Jadi seperti itu ya, terus. Atau mungkin my journey to go to Europe, itu bisa juga ya. Jadi perjalanan saya ke Eropa benar-benar dari awal melewati ini, saya harus ada tes ini, kemudian saya kalau di pesawat begini sangat lama. Nah, itu tuh Kalau kita rasa sangat jauh, ya kita pakainya Juni. Oke, Sisras, get it?
Okay, thank you very much, bro.
Okay, that's nice question from Sisras. Oh, this one. There is the other one. Sis Melati ya. How says mabuk perjalanan in English, bro? Mabuk perjalanan itu kita bisa pakai car sick. Kalau mabuk darat ya. Mabuk darat. Namanya walaupun car sick, tapi bukan berarti hanya mabuk di mobil aja ya. Apapun transportasi darat seperti apa ya, train, truck maybe. Nah, kalau saya nih mabuk kalau naik truk bro gitu. Nah, itu namanya tetap car sick ya, bukan truck sick gitu, bukan ya, tetap car sick. Kalau mabuk laut, nah itu namanya sea sick. Nah, itu mabuk laut. That's it. Oke. That's it. Kalau mabuk udara saya belum pernah tahu ya ada kata mabuk udara. So, I think ya that's car sick, sea sick. Nah, itu bisa diartikan mabuk perjalanan. Mabuk darat, mabuk laut. That's it. Okay. Motion sickness. I mean motion sickness. Okay. Sicknya benar ya, sicknya benar. Tapi kalau motion itu gerakan ya, pergerakan. Okay. I think ya car sick kita bisa pakai car sick atau sick. But that's okay. Okay, please. Silakan kalau ada lagi teman-teman. Before we are going to practicing. Teman, oke, bro. Oda Diego ya, silakan. If you have
Okay.
question, please.
Yes, I want a question. Ini bro, ini kan bahasa Inggrisnya tempat wisata kan tourist attraction ya. Dan
Okay.
ya, kalau misalnya kita kelupaan gitu ya, saya kan sering biasanya ngobrol kelupaan terus menggunakan kata ganti. Misalnya kok terus tak ganti the place of tour gitu, biasanya orang asing paham nggak itu?
The place of tour gitu ya. Oke.
Iya.
Kalau the place of tour itu bisa juga kan. Jadi kalau secara kata kurang tepat, tapi kalau secara arti bisa dipahami. Nah, gitu. Itu boleh. Contoh lain selain the place of tour, kadang-kadang kita bilang tempat wisata itu tourism place. Ada yang mungkin teman-teman pernah pakai ini ya, tourism place. Tourism itu wisata atau pariwisata. Place itu tempat, gitu ya. Place itu tempat. Nah, jadi tempat wisata, tourism place. Boleh juga. Jadi apa ya? Kalau artinya bisa dipahami, cuma kalau bule itu biasanya pakainya tourist attraction. Nah, nanti teman-teman boleh cari video atau apa yang bahas tentang tourist attraction itu banyak ya, bule itu yang pakai tourist attraction. Tapi kalau secara meaning, kalau kita cuman yang penting saya paham, dia paham, nah itu boleh ya kita pakai tourism place atau a place of tour itu boleh-boleh aja. Is it is it clear, Bro Diego?
Yes, clear.
Okay, that's it. Oke ya, jadi boleh-boleh aja. Oke, and I think it's the time ya, everybody. Ini waktunya teman-teman untuk praktek. Silakan. Yang mau praktek di sini dulu boleh, silakan diangkat tangannya ya. Jadi praktek yang pertama seperti yang saya bilang tadi ya. This one, it will be about your practicing one ya, or practice one. So please, you can use some questions here. Ini beberapa pertanyaan yang tadi kita di awal ya teman-teman, saya tadi sama Sis Ros, kemudian sama Bro Taufik juga ya tadi, sama Sis Iis juga tadi sebelum keluar ya tadi ya Sis Iis karena jaringan. Silakan ya di like traveling, apakah kamu suka jalan-jalan, silakan di diskusikan ya di breakout room. What cities have you visited in Indonesia? Jadi kota apa yang sudah kamu kunjungi di Indonesia? Which one is the best for you? Yang mana yang terbaik bagi kamu? Dan boleh nanti dikasih alasannya ya, why? Kenapa kok itu terbaik? Ya, I think because bla bla bla, gitu ya. Because so many beaches, so many good beaches, sangat banyak pantai yang indah di sana gitu misalnya. What are special places in that city? Apa aja gitu ya? Apa aja tempat spesial di kota tersebut? Nah, are there any memorable moments? Apakah ada momen tidak terlupakan di sana? And what do you recommend about cities or places? Apa rekomendasi kota atau tempat dari kamu? Ini praktek yang pertama, kemudian nanti kalau sudah ya diselesaikan dulu, kemudian baru kita ke praktek yang kedua. Jadi ada dua praktek ya hari ini di breakout room, tidak seperti biasanya karena besok tidak ada breakout room. Practice 2, choose one country you want to visit the most. Silakan pilih satu negara yang ingin atau yang paling ingin kamu kunjungi.
Because I
Ya.
want to go for Hajj with all of my family.
Oke, so silakan satu negara saja ya, just one country you want to visit the most. Misalnya, I want to visit Thailand, for example ya. I want to visit Thailand. Saya ingin mengunjungi Thailand. Thailand ya. Why do you want to visit that country? Kenapa kamu ingin mengunjungi negara tersebut? Nah, kita kasih alasan ya. Why itu berarti jawabannya because. Because maybe because I wanna know about their culture. Saya pengen tahu ya budaya mereka closer, lebih dekat. Saya pengen tahu budaya mereka itu lebih dekat, closer, deeper ya, lebih dalam, deeper. That's it. Atau apa gitu ya, silakan nanti teman-teman jelaskan. And then what are unique things about that country? Apa yang unik dari negara tersebut ya? Maybe the language, mungkin bahasanya ya. Maybe the buildings, mungkin bangunan-bangunannya. Maybe the culture, mungkin budayanya ya. Okay, so you can tell. Or wait a moment, or maybe what else guys? Apalagi ya? Mungkin the people, orang-orangnya nih unik ya di sana. Nah, or maybe the habits, kebiasaannya, or maybe what else ya? Apa aja gitu ya? Silakan dijelaskan. Okay, like Thailand, I think the unique one is the language ya, because that's really hard for me to learn Thai. Sulit ya belajar bahasa Thailand kalau saya ya. What about you? Please. And then what do you want to do there? Apa yang ingin kamu lakukan di sana ya? Do you want to work or do you want to study or do you want to travel? Yeah. Do you want to vacation? Vacation travel sama aja ya. Vacation travel. Okay. Or do you want to what gitu ya, apa yang ingin teman-teman lakukan di sana, apakah pengennya ya kerja di sana, belajar di sana, atau liburan aja. Nah, kalau liburan ngapain gitu ya, shopping or maybe take a picture or what like that one. Oke, jadi ada dua praktek untuk hari ini teman-teman. Ada yang mau nyoba di sini? Come on, raise your hand, silakan diangkat tangannya teman-teman ya sebelum kita ke breakout room. Boleh. Oke, sis Melati, do you want? Hello. Good evening. Hello, sis Melati. There is no voice so far. Masih belum ada suaranya ya sejauh ini. I think it's from your headset maybe. Mungkin kalau pakai headset mungkin headsetnya ya. Still no, masih belum ya. Oke. And then move ya to the next. Bro Silfred ya, I think. Hello bro. Are you there? Hello? No, no one. Sissy is?
Okay.
Okay. Okay, yeah. Okay, maybe I will go to Sissy is first, yeah. Okay, Sissy is because we stop before, right? About this one. So I wanna know about your answer here. Do you like traveling?
Yes, I do. I like traveling.
Okay, what cities have you visited in Indonesia?
I have visited cities in Indonesia, for example, Bali Island, Jakarta,
Hmm.
Bandung. That's
Okay, which one is the best for you?
uh, the best special place for me is Bali Island.
Bali, why? Do you have any reason?
Because in Bali Island is I think so many good beaches, many
Mhm.
good view, and traditional people is strong like dance kecak.
Okay, that's good. Nice. What are special places in Bali, do you know?
Um, the Kuta ya,
Kuta,
special place in yes,
Okay, Kuta Beach, this place. Okay, are there
yes,
any memorable moments in Bali?
yes. When apa ya bro, ketika saya ditanya sama turis dan saya nggak bisa ngomong bahasa Inggris.
Oh, oke. Memorable moment itu momen tidak
Yes.
terlupakan. Not only Sisi Is, but also me Tidak hanya Sisi Is, saya juga. Oke. But yeah, that's in the past Tapi itu dulu. So, what do you recommend about series or places, Sisi Is?
I recommend go to Bali Island because
Mhm.
it's a good place.
Good place to visit. Good. Nah, this is the practicing one. Nanti teman-teman bisa menyelesaikan practicing one first practicing satu dulu.
Hmm.
Next, I move, but still sis is. So,
Okay.
choose one country you want to visit the most.
I want to masih saya ya.
Do you want?
I want to visit Mecca, Saudi Arabia.
Saudi
I hope
Arabia, Masya Allah. That's good. Why do you want to visit that country?
uh, because I want to know about Kaaba closer.
Oke,
Ka'bah.
Ka'bah Ka'bah closer, lebih dekat lagi. Good. And then what are unique things about Saudi Arabia?
I think the unique things is maybe a language.
Mhm.
Ka'bahnya itu sendiri ya, bro.
Okay, the Kaaba itself.
Yeah.
Okay, what do you want to do that?
I
Maybe
want to I want to do there. I hope I can perform the Hajj pilgrimage.
Hajj. That's
I
amazing.
hope.
Yeah,
Amin.
amin That's Hajj Hajj is naik haji teman-teman. Kalau
Iya.
umroh tetap umroh tetap umroh. That's
Yeah.
it. Okay, thank you sis. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much,
That's the
bro.
example everybody itu contohnya silakan teman-teman saya buat breakout room. Silakan nanti semuanya menyelesaikan practicing satu dulu maybe around 10 minutes kemudian nanti pindah ke practicing 2 kalau sudah practicing satunya sekitar 10 menitan juga. Don't worry about the time, jangan khawatir tentang waktunya teman-teman, yang jelas 20 menitan cukup lah 10 menit practicing 1, 10 menit practicing 2, and then we go back here. Okay, let's go. Are you ready guys? Sudah siap nih saya buat breakout room sekarang? Ready or not? Come
I'm
on.
ready.
Yeah. Okay, let's go. Enjoy the breakout room once more because tomorrow there is no breakout room Sekali lagi besok nggak ada breakout room, jadi kita maksimalkan breakout room untuk hari ini. Okay, see you guys. Have a nice practicing. Good luck for everybody here. See ya, everyone.
Hi, good evening, partner. Hi,
Hello,
hello, good evening.
good evening.
Kita bisa mulai?
Boleh.
Kita bisa mulai ya?
Boleh.
Boleh, boleh. Siapa yang duluan? Ayo boleh, Abdul Syafir mungkin?
Aku nanti ya. Aku belum nanti tadi lagi sibuk. Wait.
Bagaimana Abdul Syafir? Are you ready? Susie, what about you? Please unmute. Unmute dulu, Miss. Susie. Bagaimana dengan Bro and Sis yang lain yang belum unmute? Kok pada diam? Sis Wiwin mic-nya belum on. Masih off itu. Turn on your microphone. Sis Wiwin, apa namanya, mic-nya itu belum diaktifin. Masih di-unmute. Jadi belum kedengaran suara.
Oh ya. Sudah ini dengar, Pak? Ini sudah dengar ya?
Iya, sekarang udah jelas.
Oke.
Saya bacain pertanyaan.
Bisa dulu.
Gimana yang
Tadi
lain?
soalnya telat. Beneran aku tadi soalnya maksudnya telat, sibuk banget aku.
Oh iya. Saya aja deh. Siapa tapi yang bacain pertanyaan yang tadi di room
Oh,
pertama?
do you like traveling?
No, I don't. But when I work, I like traveling.
Why do you like?
Apa? Mengapa coba?
Kenapa nggak suka gitu?
Yeah,
Wait,
because I like stay at home. But when I work, I like traveling.
Nextnya, what cities? Sekarang kalau nggak suka, maksud aku berlanjut ke ini. Ini kan misalnya orang suka. Kalau orang suka, berarti what cities have you visit in
Iya,
Indonesia?
tapi kan walaupun saya nggak suka traveling, tapi saya pernah mengunjungi kota-kota Indonesia.
Oke.
I
Ya.
have visited Asia is Lombok, Bali, Jakarta, and Sukabumi.
Itu banyak ya.
Iya, karena ada
Sudah keliling Nusantara.
karena ada kegiatan waktu itu.
Maybe you can answer like traveling, Miss, because that's for practice in English.
Saya bisa bilang I like traveling gitu.
Yeah, you just
Okay,
answer.
well,
Yes, I like that.
Okay.
Because for
Yes.
practice.
Okay. Once again, your question, Miss Cecilia. Once again, from number 1. Question. Ulangi sekali lagi biar saya bisa jawab like survey.
Yang diulangi yang mana? Yang diulangi yang mana?
Ya, dari awal, dari yang do you like surfing?
Oh, do you like traveling?
Yes, I like. Yes, I do. Yes, I like.
What cities have you visit in Indonesia?
I have visited in Indonesia is Lombok, Bali, Jakarta, and Sukabumi.
Which one is the best for you and why?
A special place in Lombok.
Why?
Lombok, because in Lombok there is a balloon.
What are special place in the city?
Because in Sembalun you can see the calm of various hills and mountain or beach, and there are many tourist attraction that can be visited there.
Okay. Are there any memorable moments there?
Yes, there are. Sembalun makes me feel comfortable because of its natural calm. The last question.
What do you recommend about cities or place?
I recommend Lombok to visit because in Lombok there are many mountains and you can also visit the Mandalika circuit in Lombok. Okay, thank you. Thank you for me.
Okay. Next.
I'm sorry ya, kalau saya masih.
Aku tanya pertanyaan.
Siapa yang Mbak lagi? Apa saya bacain pertanyaannya atau Sis Iwin mau jawab atau saya bacain pertanyaan?
Nanti dulu, next yang lain dulu. Saya nanti aja.
Bro Abdul Syakur, are you ready?
Ya, boleh.
Oke, Sis Iwin yang bacain pertanyaannya ya.
Sis Meli saja. Saya tak nganu dulu, tak nyatet, tak nulis dulu.
Aja deh ya. Oke.
Nah, saya belum siap soalnya.
Oke, bentar. Bentar ya. Sebelumnya mungkin bisa introduce yourself, Bro Abdul Syakur. What I can call you? Hai. Kita bisa panggil Bro Abdul Syakur dengan siapa gitu? Namanya siapa? Nama panggilan. Nickname. What is your nickname?
Suaranya pelan nih. I cannot hear your voice, bro.
You can call me Abdul, no problem.
Who?
You can call me Abdul.
Oh, Abdul.
Okay. Bro Abdul ya.
Okay.
Yes.
Are you from? Oke, mungkin saya lanjut aja ya ke
You can start.
pertanyaan yang once again.
We can start practice.
Okay. Do you like traveling?
Yes, I do. That's my job.
What cities have you visited in Indonesia?
I think all places I already visit, except of Bali. I don't like going to Bali.
Which one is the best for you?
Best place in Indonesia is Batam. Batam is very nice place.
Oh yeah. What are special place in that city?
You can go to Pacific, or if you want to go into mall, Nagoya also very good place.
Are there any memorable moments there?
The memorable moments there when you stay in hotel, cheaper hotel, you can find so many bucks on your mattress, and then you can't sleep.
Okay. What do you comment about cities or place?
What?
What do you comment about cities or place? Tempat rekomendasi. Atau kota.
This place very good because it's center of because you can go to Singapore, you can go to Malaysia, very close. There only one house by boat.
Okay. Thank you, Bro Abdul.
Yes, welcome. Next member.
Next member, who is member?
If you don't want to try, Miss Melissa, can I ask you practice number 2? Hello.
Hi.
Yeah, maybe we can try practice number 2. I give you a question and you answer.
Yang
Okay,
Okay, do you copy?
Miss Abdul, you can ask me about number 2.
Okay. Start. Choose one country you want to visit the most.
Just one country. Okay, I want to go to
Yes, you want to visit.
Saudi Arabia.
Why do you want to visit that country?
Because there are any Makkah. There are
Yes.
Makkah there.
Yes. There is compulsory for Muslim has been visited that Saudi.
Yeah.
And what are unique things about that country?
Sorry? What?
What are unique things about
Oh,
that
unique.
country.
Okay.
Yes.
The unique one there is there are any Ka'bah. Ka'bah.
Yeah.
Okay.
There is not unique, but is you have to visit that Kaaba
Yeah, yeah.
because we are Muslim, like.
Sure.
And what do you want to do there?
I want to perform Umrah or pilgrim of Hajj in Makkah.
I mean, next. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Maybe question 1.
Question 1. I don't have coffee. Maybe you can ask other members.
Maybe Sis Vivian, you can ask me.
Next.
Okay. Question 1, Miss Vivian.
Yes.
You can ask
Question
me.
1. For what? For who?
You can ask
Me?
me about question 1.
I'm reading or I'm apa sih ini? Aku yang
You can
jawab atau aku yang
Uh,
jawab atau aku yang kasih pertanyaan?
kasih pertanyaan ke saya.
Oh, kasih
Saya
pertanyaan
nggak
yang
catat pertanyaannya sebenarnya.
oh, oke. Bentar ya. Do you like traveling?
Yeah, I like traveling.
Okay. What cities have you visited in Indonesia?
Jakarta, Bandung, Bali, Yogyakarta, and the other one. The next question.
Which one? Which one in the place for you? And why?
Repeat again the question.
Which one in the place for you?
Oh,
Why?
the best. The best
for you.
maybe
Which one?
the best Jakarta.
Oh. What are special place in the city?
A special place.
Yeah. Special place in the city.
Jakarta. Monas maybe.
Oh, yes. Okay. Are there any memorable moments there?
Memorable. Nothing, but the Monas is very unique. I like.
Okay. What do you recommend about cities or place?
Recommend. Maybe you can go to Jakarta and around there. There are many places. Many places there, and you can come there. Oke, thank you.
Halo, Pindarom sendiri tadi.
Udah balik, ini ganti grup lagi atau gimana?
Ya, halo.
Tadi Pindarom sendiri, bro.
Ya, I know. Oke, yes, sorry everybody. Jadi saya mohon maaf ya, tadi ada teman-teman yang mungkin sebenarnya satu grup ada 5 orang, ada 4 orang, tapi kok hanya 2. Tadi ada Sis Ros ya. Sis Ros tadi kan 2 orang ya. Sis Ros and Bro Oda ya tadi ya. Nah, dan I think I need to move, saya pindahkan biar nanti prakteknya bisa dipraktekkan lagi dengan teman-teman yang lain lagi ya. So I think that's my intention. Tadi memang saya pindahkan untuk beberapa teman-teman yang in pairs ya, berpasangan. I didn't know why some of you left. Saya tidak tahu kenapa beberapa teman-teman keluar ya dari Zoom-nya. I still don't know about it. So sorry, jadi mungkin saya mohon maaf sekali lagi kalau tadi saya pindahkan ya. Saya pengen teman-teman mempraktekkan lagi seperti itu. Okay, that's it. I wanna ask you guys what country you want to visit the most. Can you tell me, please? negara mana yang paling ingin teman-teman kunjungi ya? Can you tell
Maybe
me?
I want to
Korea,
England,
Korea.
Eropa, Eropa,
Okay.
For
Okay,
me,
yes.
maybe New Zealand.
Amerika and Egypt.
New Zealand.
Zimbabwe.
Zimbabwe. Okay. Okay.
Palestine,
Palestine. Okay. Are you sure?
Arabia,
Saudi
Australia.
Arabia. Yeah. Okay. I think that's it.
Italy,
Italy. Yeah. There are some country that actually there is international name ya. Ada beberapa negara yang punya nama internasional teman-teman dan kita tidak bisa menyebutkan seperti apa yang kita ketahui. Contohnya kayak Belanda itu bukan Belanda ya. Nah, tapi apa teman-teman?
Netherlands.
Netherlands. Kalau kita di luar negeri ketemu orang, kamu mau kemana? I wanna go to Belanda. Itu nggak ada yang tahu ya Belanda itu mana. Nah, that's it.
company,
Ya, that's it. Oke. Kayak Mesir, Mesir is Egypt ya. Egypt.
Egyptian,
Oke, Egypt ya. Egyptian is the people, orangnya. Oke, like that one ya. Oke, Indonesia, Indonesia. Korea ya. Jepang bukan Jepang tapi Japan. Japan. Yeah, that's it. Okay, that's really good to be with you today. And any questions so far? Ada pertanyaan mungkin teman-teman so far sejauh ini? No?
who can pay me for vacation to the other countries?
Okay. Maybe we can go together. Oke, siapa nih yang bisa bayarin si Rose ya untuk ke luar negeri nih ya? Maybe someday ya we can go together,
you
inshallah ya,
can save
everybody.
money.
Okay, and for tomorrow guys, we will have the listening section. Besok materi kita adalah listening ya, mendengarkan. It will be the first listening section in this level. Besok ada listening dan itu adalah listening pertama ya di level kita. Sebelumnya kan nggak ada ya materi listening dan besok kita ada listening. Kita akan ketemu besok, ada audio. Besok saya putarkan, teman-teman mendengarkan, kemudian kita analisa bersama dan dijawab beberapa pertanyaan berhubungan dengan audio tersebut. Oke. Thank you for joining today. See you tomorrow, everyone. Stay healthy. Good night. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
See you.
Thank you, bro.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Salam goyo.
Waalaikumsalam.
Bye bye. See you tomorrow.
Hai Iis.
Hai, Sis Lelo, apa kabar?
Sayonara.
Apa kabar?
Sayonara. Bye-bye.
See you ya Is ya.
Ya, see you next time. Assalamualaikum.
Bye-bye.
Waalaikumsalam.
Bye. Lanjut WA, Sus Ii.